Hello, everybody. My name is Glenn Monroe from Brain Diesel's QLAB for Quick Like a Bunny. And this time I want to show you everything that you need to know about Windows Explorer. How to open Windows Explorer. You hit the file folder, boom, and it opens it pretty quick. Now, if you click it a second time, it shrinks it down and it opens it back up. If you press Shift and click it, you can open the second instance of it. That can be handy when you want to work side by side. You also can open as many instances as you'd like, the Windows and the E key for Windows Explorer. To position this, if it's not in full screen, you can slam it against the side and it'll go there. But if you have a 2-monitor system, as I've set up, you can't slam it against the other side because it'll go off the screen. So you use the Windows left arrow or right arrow keys to reposition it. And you can also use those to throw it over to the other screen, which you can't see right now, and bring it back from the other screen that way as well. Then you can have the two side by side. We're going to look at this example folder here. On the side here, I have all the folders. At the top, there's quick access folders. If there's a folder you want to access, want to pin up here, you right-click and pin to quick access. If you no longer want it showing, you right-click and unpin from quick access. Otherwise, your most recent stuff will show up here. The arrow shows you can open a folder with the arrow to see what's in it. And you'll see I have set up here an example folder 1, 2, 3. From the example folder, it shows me the 1. I can double click for 2, double click for 3, which I have deliberately misspelled. I'm going to rename 3. Click on the file, click on the file again, type a new name. To rename this file, I will do the right-click method instead, although I can go click, click again, and there it is. Let me hit escape to get out of that. You could right-click, rename, it gets you the same place. To create a new folder, you simply hit the new folder button. It will put a folder in the folder you're in. So if I want to create folder number 4, which I want in 3, I could do here and put it in the wrong spot. And then you can drag it and any contents in it into the folder you want to put it in. So I put 4 into 3. And now you see that down here. You cannot rename a document while it is open. Cannot do it. If I want to copy this to my number 4 folder, I can click on it, Control C to copy, click on 4, Control V to paste, and it is there. I will undo that. Alternatively, you can press Control, click and drag, and you'll see it says copy to, and there it is. If you delete something by mistake, and I hit the delete key, very short, yes. In the recycle bin, I deleted this by mistake. I will restore it, and you will see it show up. There it is. If I want to delete it forever, press Shift and then delete. Are you sure? Yes, it is gone. It did not show up here. If I want to move this file to 3, I can click and drag and drop it on the screen here where you see it says move. I'm left clicking and dragging. If I want to put this into 1, I can also drag and drop over here. You've got the choice. If I want to filter this to see just the Excel files, I click the drop down arrow and choose Excel. And there's just my Excel files in that folder. Add the PowerPoint, take out the Excel, and so on. To navigate through your folders, you can go up a level. So if I'm in folder 4, and if I want to go up a level, the up arrow takes me to 3, to 2, to 1, to the top. If I'm in my example folder, and then I go to 4, and then I go to 2, the back arrow takes me to where I just was. Back to the 4, back to the example folder. Ahead to the 4, ahead to the 2. So you can navigate that way, or the up arrow. Also, if I know I want to go to the Cineplex Reports folder, which is in my OneDrive, I can click the drop-down arrow and choose Cineplex Reports. And I'm there, the drop-down arrow, and choose my example folder, and I'm there. And then just double-click to get to where you want to get to. For OneDrive users, you will notice that there are different symbols showing here. There's a cloud, there's a checkbox, there's a green checkbox. Clouds are the file is on the cloud, you have to download it to open it. Green check marks were recently opened, which is why they're there, but they will go away. If you want something to always be available, you can right-click on it and make it the hard check mark. Let me pick one, right-click, always keep on device, and just that one is always on device. And this one here, when I open it and close it, it's now in my recent memory. If I want to find all of my PowerPoint files, under search, I can search for *.pptx or XLSX or MP3 or whatever you're looking for, and you'll find all of that type of folder. If I know I'm looking for something with the word, I'm going to go with the word this, copy this, delete this, asterisk, this, asterisk, go. And there they are. Only the this files are found. So that's this QLAB. Thanks for watching. Hit all the buttons that are appropriate. Subscribe and like and comment and do whatever you want to do. If I missed a key point here that you think everybody should know, let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear that too. Otherwise, this is a good starting point for most people. And watch for more QLABs for the software coming soon. Thanks, everybody.